The holiday collections have landed. This one is by Lancome. It is the Happiness Is Here Glam or Glow box. You've got your choice. It's $460 worth of product inside. You can pick it up for $68 with a $39.50 purchase. So let's break this open and look at what's inside and see if it's worth it. Hi, I'm Nicole, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am so excited that you're here with me today. We are going to look at what is inside this purchase with purchase, and then I will also show you what I purchased to be able to do my purchase. Could I say purchase anymore? I can't believe I'm already in a Santa hat, but these are out, so I thought I would just get, you know, kind of in the spirit. Don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and give this video a like. Okay, let's open up the box. Why won't you open? How do you open? So if you've been watching my channel, you know I do this video every year. And if you want to go back and check out the last year or two and see what it was like then, you can see the difference. So I popped over to my local Nordstrom to get this because they're the only people in town who had it. The other stores didn't have it yet. Macy's and even Marcus didn't have it. So I did an online order and they had it ready for me to pick up. It's so nice. Now they have this online pickup area right when you walk in on the second floor. So what I purchased so that I could purchase this was two things. One is this Ombre Hypno Stilo. You guys have seen me using these before. I was gifted several colors, but I do not have a silver color and I really wanted the silver. So I picked that up. And these are waterproof. I have it on right now underneath in my waterline. They last all day long. They're super creamy, but they're really stick. So this is the new color I got. It's just a kind of a silvery gray color because I really needed something more in that shade. All the ones that I have are like kind of golds, light golds, burgundy, blue, black, but nothing silver. The other thing I got was a brow define pencil. Lancome has a really good brow products. I have to say I really enjoy their gel and their, it's a tinted brow gel, and then also their little brow pencils are really, really good. You know, they're the twist up type and they have a little brush on the end, so I really enjoy these. In case you're wondering, I got the 04 color. I do my eyebrows, I use kind of a lighter color of blonde here, and then I use a darker color kind of for the tail to define that a little bit more, and then I use a brow gel. I have a whole video on that if you want to check it out. There are two versions of this available. There's Glam and there's Glow. And I got the Glam. It's in the shiny little hat box thing, and the Glow is in the flat. So there are the goodies, and oh nice, this has a mirror. Awesome. Let me show you last year's. It was really easy to find because I had just used it. It just is two layers like this, but there is no mirror. So I'm really excited that there's a mirror. That's really handy. I did like the shape because you could, you know, fit it in a suitcase. So it looks like they've got everything wrapped in tissue here rather than kind of held in plastic, which is what they did last year. And let's see what the bottom looks like. Okay, whoops. Also wrapped in tissue. Everything is now unwrapped. In the top layer, we have the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum. Next to the Genifique Eye Cream, and I believe this is around $65. So if you buy this anyway, pay a few dollars more and you get the whole kit. We have a Hypnos Drama Mascara. And oh, they gave us a brush. The brushes are actually quite nice. This is really soft. I have some of the brushes that I've received over the years in these kits. They've all been good quality and they've lasted, and they have a nice heavyweight feel to them. I'm not going to compare them to like my Wayne Goss or Sonia G's, but they're definitely a nice brush and do feel higher end. Here too, the lipsticks. Okay, the lipsticks are in Wine Party, Natural Beauty, and Racy. This one is Wine Party. So that one was a cream. This one is a matte, and this one is called Racy. Super hot pink there. Now getting into the second layer. Ooh, I'm really excited about this one. This one is called Natural Beauty, and the pictures online look like one of those brown colors I just wouldn't wear, but it's actually quite a beautiful nude. Ooh, I like that. Kind of looks like what I have on. Let's see. Blends right in. We also have one of my holy grail products. This is the Lancome Sills Booster XL. I put this on underneath my mascara, so the best way to use it is put it on, and while this is still wet, just do one eye. Then hit it with a real mascara, and then go ahead and do the other side. It is white, so you can kind of see where you've applied it. Well, my lashes are blonde, so I can sort of see it, but if you've got dark lashes, you'll see it probably a lot better than I do. They always put one of these in here. It's their kohl liner in black. This is actually a huge liner. I mean, just for fun, look, I'm putting the mascara next to it, and you have this much more product. That's a very, very big eyeliner. The next thing, and they always have this in the holiday box, is the Bifacil. This is a great eye makeup remover. It's fabulous, especially for waterproof, but it'll work for anything. And now the palette. Ooh, okay. I think I already like this better than last year's palette. Here we've actually got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte shadows. And then you have, what, 3 that are more of a shimmer, and then these have a little bit more of micro glitter particles in them. And the blushes, Lancome blushes are really, really nice. I have Lancome blush on right now. I tried to put as much Lancome on my face as I could. I'd already done my eye makeup today, but I have Lancome brows, and I have Lancome foundation, blush, lips. So let's swatch these. Oh shoot, I wore long sleeves. Okay, we might have to put it onto 2 of my arms because this is not rolling up very well. Bad planning. All right. Now we'll do this one, and this one. I think they've upped their game here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, the summer palette that they came out with, I really wasn't that into it, but this, I think I can get behind. So there are 3 more. Here's the last one. That didn't swatch that great, but you know what? My bone is right there. Let's try it in another spot where it's not going. Let's try, here, we'll just do it right here. Now let's look at the blushes. This one here is more of a peach color, and this one is a beautiful pink. This one has some shimmer to it, and this one, you know what? I don't see any little micro glitter particles like I do in the pink. However, it does have, you know, a tiny bit of a sheen. I don't think it's totally flat. Here we go. And the cute little hat box case, which does have a handle. So for me, looking at this box, okay, I would definitely wear all 3 shades of the lipsticks. This is good because it's not like they threw some weirdo shade in that, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's free, but who's ever gonna really wear it? Because a while back that used to happen. And I don't just mean Lancome, I mean other boxes. I mean, Estee Lauder does them, and oh, who else does them? Somebody else does them. But oh wow, you should see the sunset right now. Gorgeous, hold on. I need to take a picture of that. That is just beautiful. The Sills Booster XL I use pretty much every day that I wear mascara and not false lashes, so I would pay for this and purchase this anyway. This mascara, I like the Monsieur Big, but until that one came out, this was my favorite, so I know I like this one and we'll use that. Let's see. I don't really use the Genifique.
Editing Nicole here. The reason I'm not a huge fan of the Genifique products is because in the first 4 to 6 ingredients, they have denatured alcohol in them, and that can be very drying for skin, and I have dry skin, so not my favorite ingredient, especially so high up the list.
The makeup remover, the eye makeup remover, the Bifacil is great, and again, I've purchased that in the past. And the palette, I actually really like it. Now I have to try out the shadows on my eyes, because swatching is one thing, actually using them is another, because yes, you could get a good indication of a shadow by swatching it, but until you actually put it on your eyes, you don't really know.
This is my first shot at using the Lancome palette from the glam version of the holiday box, and I have to say it turned out quite nicely. I used about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the colors out of the palette, and like it so far. I'll let you know how it wears. So the shadows held up super well. I wore them for about 9 hours. The only thing I would say is that the gold shimmer shadow that I had applied to my lids did lose its pop after about 6 or 7 hours. It was still there, but it wasn't as shimmery and gold looking as it was when I started. Day 2, ignore the hair. I just kind of let it air dry. I'm just working from home today. I used the burgundy pink that last brown color that looked like it didn't swatch so well, didn't blend so well either, a bit of the gold, and then the off-white color. And I like the look, but that brown just is really difficult to blend. So I think the rest of the palette is fine, is good, but that one, I'm not going to dip into that again because it looks too uneven, as you can kind of see up here. And I was using my regular, Sonia G, Wayne Goss brushes and all.
And you can always use another makeup brush. Like I said, in the past, I've really liked their brushes. So now, is this worth the $68 that I had to pay for it? For me, yes. So what do you think? Do you think that's worth $68? Have you purchased this holiday type of box that Lancome puts out before? Have you purchased any by anyone else? I would love to know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and give it a like if you did. It really helps me out if I get likes and comments, even if you just say hi. Hope you have a wonderful day or evening wherever you are, and it's not goodbye, but so long till next time.